Hello, my name is Aaron. I'm the PM for power supplies at Corsair, and today we're announcing the RMI series of power supplies. The RMI is a step up from our current RM. It has 100% Japanese capacitors, both the electrolytics and the solids, so the polymers as well. It is truly 100% Japanese capacitors. We also have the fluid dynamic bearing fan, so that the fan, when it is running, is very quiet, and it has the longer lifetime and reliability for the unit. We have also done greatly improved voltage regulation and noise ripple on these units, which is we'll get to the later when we have the sun moon tester over here. We also have Corsair Link integration. So we now have the 12 volt, 5 volt, 3.3 readings as well as current. Have the ability to turn the fan on or off through the software, and you have the ability to configure the 12 volt rail from its default multi-rail mode into a single rail mode if you need the extra power on a single PCIe connector on EPS if you're overclocking. These also have a 7-year warranty, and they are going to be available within the next 2 weeks in the channel. Also, what we have with us today is a technology demo of an SFX power supply we're working on. This is part of the overall Bulldog scheme, where it's a small form factor chassis, small form factor cooler, and then the SFX power supply itself. It actually has a 92 millimeter fan, which was about the largest we could fit into the 100 millimeter depth power supply. It is fully modular, and it does have the 0 RPM mode on the fan. These will be out later in the year. Right now we're just showing off all the various parts that we built as part of the Bulldog ecosystem. So this is the 750D AirFlow edition. Internally, it's the same as our current 750D. What we've done is increase the airflow through the chassis by using a mesh cutout in the front. We've also replaced the inner dust filter and had a dust filter permanently attached to the front panel. So there's a great deal more airflow going through this case. And what that does is helps on GPU cooling, where you can see up to almost a 10-degree delta cooler temperatures using this front panel on the chassis. So we'll be selling the case as a whole, but for people who already have a 750D and are interested in getting the front panel, we'll have this available separately as well.